Hello guys! So for today's video, itutur ko kayo sa Queen Elizabeth II in Dubai. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang Queen Elizabeth II ay historic 4-star hotel na malapit sa Dubai Mall. Is it also considered as an iconic floating hotel in Dubai? Meron nga pala siyang 5 deck and ang room namin is located siya sa pangatlong deck. So right now, andito na nga pala kami sa floor ng 3 deck and hahanapin na namin yung room number namin. Habang hinahanap namin yung room number namin, makikita nyo nga pala dito na meron siyang stairs para if ever na hindi ka gagamit ng elevator, makakapunta ka sa upper deck. And ito nga pala yung itsura ng hallway nila. First time nga pala naming mag-check-in sa floating hotel or yung cruise type na hotel. That's why we're really excited about it. Meron din pala ditong restaurant, indoor swimming pool, and meron din silang gym. Finally, we found our room number and makikita nyo na makitid lang yung hallway niya papunta sa mga rooms. Katulad sa mga ibang hotel, bibigyan kayo ng receptionist ng 2 pieces na RFID or ng card para mabuksan nyo yung room nyo. I'm not sure kung ano yung exact term na tawag dito sa card na to, but whatever, yan yung gagamitin mo para makapasok ka sa room. And yung card nga pala nila is para siyang wood type and it's very different sa mga ibang hotel na napuntahan namin. Ipalagi kang nag-check-in sa hotel, familiar ka dito sa card na to. As you can see, muntik na naming mabuksan. Ilang beses naming tinry pero hindi pa rin nag-open yung door. So, I think it's about timing. So, pag-enter mo ng room, ang bubungad nga pala sa'yo ay poste. And ayan, yung tea and coffee section na kadikit niya yung bed. This is the toilet and meron nga pala siyang lavatory and shower area na merong glass na divider. So from door entrance, ito nga pala yung perspective ng room. And ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano itsura ng labas niya. And meron siyang 2 round na window. It is very calming kasi ang view mo ay dagat and it gives you peace, relaxation, and emotional restoration. That's why I really love it. Disclaimer lang because I'm not sure if all the rooms are having the same design. Here we have chairs and table and meron ding TV. Ayan, nakalagay pa yung welcome and then my name. Outside of our room, ito nga pala yung common area kung saan pwede kang maupo and mag-relax while watching the sunset or the sunrise. Inside Queen Elizabeth II, there's a lot of interesting things na makikita mo pero hindi ko na nabidyohan one by one. You will also find here the huge map of North Atlantic Crossing. And pwede kang maupo, mag-relax, and mag-bar. This is the miniature of Caronia 1949, which was launched by Princess Elizabeth. Here you can get a souvenir. It is a gold coin worth 10 dirhams only. Of course, to give you a different experience, bago mo makuha yung gold coin, kailangan mo munang maging isang kapitan ng barko and yung asawa ko nga pala ang captain for today's video. At ako naman ang commander niya na magsasabi kung saan kami maglalayag. So, at this moment, makikita nyo na lalabas na ang gold coin. As I mentioned, malapit lang siya sa Dubai Mall. So, kaya pumunta na rin kami and nanood kami ng dancing fountain. And Burj Khalifa is very stunning. Of course, it's the tallest building in the world. That's why. Before kami mag-check out, just wanted to show you the sand deck view of Queen Elizabeth II. And I hope you enjoyed the view and thank you for watching.